Follow-through is to stay 1 to 2 seconds in the target and position after trigger pull. After following the order to green color, breathing and muscle relax, aiming, and then trigger pull, red color, you should stay 1 to 2 seconds in the target and position, blue color, breathing and muscle relax, aiming, trigger pull. It's a past shooting process. It means the shooter must keep on holding his or her gun for some period of time after the gun has been fired. The time interval shall be for breathing, muscle relax, aiming, and trigger pull time. During the time, the shooter must feel the recoil and estimate the location of the bullet. Simultaneously with the release of the shot, awareness should shift to follow-through. Follow-through is often talked about, but is actually practiced in its fullest sense by only a few champion shooters. Most shooters feel that follow-through is simply holding on to the position until the bullet has cleared the rifle barrel. But complete follow-through involves more. An experienced shooter concentrates on sensing and analyzing every aspect of his performance until after the completion of recoil. Shooter is precisely aware of the feel and direction of recoil and is capable of predicting within minute limits where the bullet struck the target. There are almost of slight differences every time the sequence of movement takes place. The shooter has to be aware of this so that it can be corrected the next time a shot is fired. The self-awareness in correction demands careful analysis of the shot, and this happens during the follow-through period. Release power from grip hold. Problem of sight picture. Problem of breath control. Not fixed wrist. Problem of sight alignment. Move to arm position. Problem of aim. One's eyes move to target. Too much power by thumb. Delay to trigger pull. Delay to aiming. Problem of trigger pull. Lack of concentration. What happens between shots will influence the outcome of the next shot. The time between shots is useful for loading, relaxing, and taking a break. What does the sight picture look like while the trigger is being squeezed? How does the pistol move when it fires? Move only the trigger finger while the rest body remains motionless. The pistol is lowered 1 or 2 seconds later after the shot for follow-through. According to the routine, a performance follow the same skill throughout 40-60 shot matches. When follow-through is done completely, analysis will be successful. In a competition, success depends on a few critical shots, usually the first and the last shot. Generally, the first shot and the last shot is very difficult in competition. How do you coordinate with breathing, aiming, muscle relaxation, and trigger pull? When concentration, yellow color, comfortable breathing, red color, relaxed muscles, blue color, and sight picture, trigger time is judged coordinate, then the trigger finger, black color, must move without disturbing sight alignment. In experienced shooter, the act of releasing the shot is far more complex than simply pulling the trigger. Sight picture, hold, and trigger pull all seem to be comprehensive and treated simultaneously in a single act of judgment. Releasing the shot is in many ways an indescribable psychological moment in which the entire mind and body blend in a fully coordinated act. This is sometimes experienced as a curious, complex psychophysical sensation of loss when one intends to pull the trigger, but somehow the trigger finger disobeys and the expected recoil does not occur. The shock of that moment can cause all sorts of brief feelings of panic, accompanied by muscular jerks and changes in vision. In its broadest sense, releasing the shot is the coming together of mind and body in an instant of complete integration. This total coordinate of mind and body is not unique to shooting. It defies adequate explanation in words and must be experienced to be understood. This is internal position,